Okay, testing the motion sensor of Mr. Beam's MBN352 Spotlights. There you go, pretty quick. Hello guys, today we'll be unboxing Mr. Beam's MBN352 Spotlights. MBN352 is basically a 2-pack of the MBN350 model. Simple packaging there, small box with a bubble wrap for product protection. Everything out of the box, 2 spotlights, instructions manual, fixture screws for mounting. Here's a closer look of the spotlight. This is actually the dark brown model, but it kinda looks gray through the camera. Material is mostly plastic, but it feels sturdy. To disassemble, just unscrew everything. Turn the spotlight cover to unlock and open the battery compartment. The spotlight's voltage is 4.5 volts. You will need 3 D-cell batteries, 1.5 volts each. With the bright 200 lumen LED light output, the batteries will last about a year depending on how many times the sensor gets triggered. This is pan and tilt adjustable, so you can point the spotlight anywhere you want when mounting. And lastly, there is a switch beside the battery compartment. This is used to put your spotlights on the same channel. So when one light is activated, all the other lights on the same channel will also be activated. Time to mount this up and do a quick test.